drawing on a rock with a pencil and a pen and a phone. Haha, let's see how this works. Hello and welcome to Deliberately Creative. I'm Stephanie. We are going to be drawing on this rock with the Zebra Pen Sensations and a Zebra Tech 2-way mechanical pencil. I am using my phone right here, and I'm using the DaVinci Eye program. If you have never used it before, the DaVinci Eye is a program to project images and make it easier to graph and grid for huge pictures on walls or smaller pictures on like a rock. However you want to use it, it makes it so much easier, and it's so much less expensive than buying a projector. So I am going to click on the DVE right here. That's the DaVinci Eye app, and it just immediately opens up. So now I'm going to click on Draw Now. And then it asks me, what do you want to draw? I could draw anything, but I'm going to do this whooping crane. You get two modes that you can draw in. One is classic mode, but it is it superimposes your image right here. But if you move your phone in classic mode, or if you move your surface in classic mode, you have to continually line things back up. That was really frustrating. And so when they got their AR mode on the iPhone, the angels sang. I've got the whole step-by-step how to use DaVinci Eye in this video right up here. So take a look. I go step-by-step what an anchor image is and how to lock it into place. We're not doing that here. We're going to get this work done. So what I need to do, right now I'm moving the whole thing around, aren't I? I'm going to move the picture down here onto my rock. I'm going to resize it. I like that size. I'm going to move it over just a smidge. And then I'm going to click off of move. Now everything is locked together. And if you look at that screen, everything is locked together. I can rotate this around. I can move my phone. I can go like this and zoom in. And it's just zooming in the exact same place. So right there is where his little head's going to go. That is so cool. I think we need to just jump in here and get started. The only thing is, the trickiest bit is getting this up where you can see it but not bang into it. So that's kind of the tricky bit there. So please excuse any noise that you hear in the background. The neighbors are doing something that they have promised for many, many years, a new fence between our properties. So now I'm just going to sit here and trace really quick. Getting this on here really quick. Now that little red cap, I know, breaks off right there. I need to see his eye a little better. See how I moved it on here? I haven't moved my rock, but it moved where I'm looking. Cool thing is, doing this, you can actually start to get the idea how things are put together. How to position like his thigh and his little pantaloons, the under side of his body. And you see, I'm just doing sort of sketchy lines. Oh, that's looking really nice. Whoop. I wanted to go tap tap and back up. But you know what? You don't have to worry about that because you can use an eraser. Let's make that a little smaller so I can see it better. There we go. All right, so at this point here, I'm going to go ahead and just do a speed video. I'm going to ink it up. I'm going to put some color on here. And if you're interested in everything that I'm doing, check out my Patreon because I will have the full video there. This one's going to be more just popping in every once in a while, giving a little tip or trick. But I don't need the DaVinci Eye anymore. I used my phone to put an image on, to draw an image on a rock. That's what I said I was going to do, and that's what we did. All right, so I'm going to use just a plain old, this is a technical drawing pen. So here we go. We're just going to get this guy inked in. So see, you can do this. You can do this. Once you've got the image drawn on with your pencil, go ahead and start putting it in with the pen and just enjoy the process. It can be as detailed or not as you wish, and you can change things. Just because I traced off of a photograph doesn't mean that it's going to look like that photograph when I'm done. But I am going to put a few like cattail, see, doing this, very relaxing. I like getting to draw these types of animals, birds. I'm going to put some more sort of rings in the water here. I don't want to do too much. I want to keep it a little more delicate. I have I have a problem, guys. I can easily go into detail overload. I'm going to use my heat tool here, and I don't know that this is necessary, but I did it on the back side, so I'm going to do it on this side. Just wanted to make sure that it was really dry. Wow, that didn't even heat up. So now I can go in and erase those pencil lines. Oh, that's cool. I've got some brush tip ones and I've got some bullet tip ones. And then I have these metallic brush pens. What color? But it looks kind of like a metallic rose to me. If I take a little bit of that just in a few spots. Ooh. Just looking at that going, I still need to get it a little bit darker. Oh, there we go. And I'm going to use that to start putting in some shadow on that underside. Hope you enjoy this. If you do, make sure that you are clicking that like button and sharing the video with your friends. You know, that really helps. I'm working on getting to that 100,000. I know it's just a number, but it's a number that's just, you know, a milestone. And I'm so close. So if you are interested in helping me get to that my first 100,000, I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone who's watching, even if you don't subscribe. I appreciate you. I think that you guys are some of the best, most kind and creative people. I love my community. Oh yeah. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure that you click that like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and go out and do something creative. You know? Take care of yourself so you take care of those around you. I want to see you back here again really soon. Bye-bye.